Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing recipe for a juicy and delicious burger with the desi twist. I am making tandoori chicken burger. When I shared the recipe for tandoori masala, I mentioned that I'll be sharing a recipe using this masala, and it's a fusion recipe, and I was talking about this burger. So let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First I'm making tandoori masala, and I already shared the recipe with you guys, and I will link it down below for you. Then I am making chicken mixture. For that, in a food processor I'm adding boneless chicken pieces. You can add minced grounded chicken as well. Then we need to add some breadcrumbs. I'm using a regular bread slice and putting little pieces in there, and then we'll add mayonnaise. Yes, you heard it right, we're adding mayonnaise. It will make our chicken burger patty very moist and delicious. Then adding some garlic powder and prepared tandoori masala, and the recipe which I'm linking down for you, the whole recipe goes for this chicken mixture. Let's start grounding until we have a very nice fine grounded chicken mixture. We are not adding any salt because masala have salt, mayonnaise and bread have salt too. When grounded chicken mixture is ready, just transfer it onto a bowl, and since it's a tandoori chicken burger, we're gonna infuse some smoke from the coal. So just putting a heated coal piece on there, just dropping off some oil and cover it, so the grounded chicken will infuse with the coal. And now taking a cutting board and lining up with some parchment paper and using this burger press to make our burger patty today. Of course you can make the burger patty with the hand, and as you can see, there's like a little grease on it. I haven't added any kind of grease in there. It's because of mayonnaise, which will make our burger so delicious. So by following the same procedure, I am making rest of my burger patty. When you're done with the burger patty, just with the help of thumb, make a little indent in the middle of your burger patty like so. So when we are cooking, it doesn't puff up while cooking the burger patty. And then when your all the burger patties are done, you can put this burger patty in the freezer right now, so you can use it later in Ramadan. Right now I'm just putting on the side for marination and preparing my side fixin. For that I'm using sliced tomatoes, cucumbers and onions, and I will be using some mayo chop. You can use regular mayo or ketchup or both as well. Using brioche buns, you can use regular buns as well. And I thought to make some potato wedges, and I will share the recipe with you guys as well. So that's what I'm doing. Just wash the potatoes thoroughly and then cut them into wedges. Then taking a baking sheet, lining up with aluminum foil, transferring these wedges on it, and then drizzle some olive oil. Season it with some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika powder and some salt. Mix everything well. If you have a parmesan cheese, you can add parmesan cheese as well. I was out of it, so I'm not adding any parmesan cheese today. Just mix everything well and then put it in the oven, which is already preheated on 400 degrees. Just make the wedges into a single layer and put it in the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, and they will until the potatoes are tender and they get nice crispy golden color. When they're out of the oven, just shake a little. If you think you can just try it and add a little bit of more salt. Just add more parmesan cheese if you're adding, and top it off with some chopped parsley. Then our patties are already marinated, and I'm making them today on outdoor grill. So just preheated the grill and then transfer these prepared patty onto your heated grill. And now if you don't have a outdoor grill, or the weather doesn't allow you to do so, so you can make this patty in on your stove as well. Just grease your fry pan or grill pan a little bit, and you can cook these patty until they are completely tender. After they are done from one side and get those nice charred lines, I flip them up, and when they are completely cooked, just check them with a meat thermometer. It should be 165. And I'll be using some cheddar cheese slices as well. So when my patty was done, I transferred that patty onto a top rack of my grill and then put the cheddar cheese slice on top of it. It will melt with the heat, and then we'll assemble our burgers. I already put the layer of mayo chop on it, and then transfer that melted cheese and cooked tandoori chicken patty on it with some onions, tomatoes, and cucumber slices. And this is how my tandoori chicken burger is ready to serve. Today I'm serving it with some garlic wedges and ketchup. And I made this recipe to participate in a collab. The theme was hot and spicy, and I thought this recipe would be perfect. If you don't like that spicy, you can add a little less tandoori masala, or you can completely omit it. And I already shared the regular chicken burger recipe with you guys, and I will link it down below for you. If you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. Share away with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish, and don't forget to check out my Instagram post and see what my other fellow bloggers are making. It's perfect for Ramadan, and you will definitely enjoy it. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.